Hey guys, so today we're going to the waterfall in Debreuil, Choiseul. We're starting our adventure now and we're in the process of hiking for a ride.
For 2 hours, just got some supplies from Massey.
Yeah, we had to pack up on snacks and stuff. Sugar, water, and something meaty. We're in the Debreuil Gap and we're about to start a 34-minute walk to our destination. So far, I've already seen mangoes and passion fruit. I'm looking to see whose tree I can hijack fruits from. That's part of the adventure. Island vibe. We have endless passion fruit growing on the electrical wires. Come on, vamonos! Everybody, let's go! Come on, let's get to it. I know that we can do it. Where are we going? Chasing waterfalls.
We got the ride to come up as well, so we saved that 30-minute walk. That's great. As of this moment, we're still going down here.
Come on, vamonos! Check prickles I have on my foot. Like, what is that? Bush life. Here at the bottom, it's lovely. It was worth the rough trip. Look at that clear water. Oh my gosh, I'm in love here. Oh yes, yes, yes.
Waterfall.
Yes, and I'm loving it.
Beautiful place.
Check it out. Check it out. Oh my gosh, I love it. We're going in. Oh my gosh, it's so cold. Hey babes, what's up? All I want. We're back at the top. Oh, we did it.
Get at me.
So we're now in PI. We got our first ride from Debreuil to Flafag. and our second ride from Lafargue to Piat. So we're praying for the next one to Labrie. Finally we're home and we're ready to meet our bundle of joy. Today was definitely an adventure. Oh God, it's so good to be home. Yes, yes. Next time on our bigger, better adventures.